on my channel, Sweet Uniqueities, where everything I do here is always sweet and custom for an event, making it a true Uniqueity. And today we are going back in time. We're going back in time, people, 2 years ago, at my very second video, my second Sweet Uniqueities video, when I used these amazing skull ice cube trays. I loved them then, I still love them today. And we are going to be making something that is an elegant yet creepy dessert. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm glad you're here.
Pick whatever color you want your skulls to be, and truly these would be so cute in pink or orange or whatever color you want to do. And following the manufacturer's directions, just melt those candy wafers in the microwave, and then once they're melted, you can just fill up the skull. And you don't want it completely full. I just kind of put a coating, but you want it thick enough so that it's not terribly fragile, but we are going to be putting candy in the middle, so you don't want it to be completely full. Then I popped them in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes or so, and then that way they were sure to come out easily. So here I'm just removing the skulls from the silicone mold. For the center of the skulls, I decided I wanted to do like a brownie truffle, and you can use any truffle recipe that you want to. Here I'm just making some ganache. I added some chopped walnuts, I added some boxed brownie mix, I added some chocolate chips, and then the truffle, just enough to kind of hold it all together. But there are so many recipes out there that you can choose from, so find one that you love. Like a cookie dough one would be so good. There's so many. Just choose what you want and then roll it into a small bowl and fill that cranium with your truffle. I got these super cute plates years ago from my mom for a birthday present, and I just think I love the color, and I thought they'd be perfect for this project. I'm just taking some of the melted ganache and kind of providing like a smear across the plate, and that is going to be like the glue to hold the little skull brownie truffle dessert in place. So just take your back skull, adhere it to the ganache, and kind of get it set up there. Then take your truffle mixture, whatever you choose, and you're gonna want to make sure that the cranium is nice and full. You want it to be, a good quantity. So I used a small scoop and put about almost 2 scoops of brownie mixture, and then just fill the cavity of the cranium. And then I used some melted wafers to add the detail to the little skull. So I used a toothpick, and I just put a little bit of the green melted wafer in his eye socket, and then I put a dragée in there, a silver dragée. And you could do this with any color. There's so many cool colors of that out now. And then I'm using some more melted white chocolate on the top of the truffle to help hold the cranium onto the top of the truffle. So that is the beginning of what he looks like, which he's so cute already. And then I just used some more silver dragées in different shapes and sizes to add some visual interest to the plate. And I think they turned out so creepily awesome. Totally creepily awesome. So I hope you enjoyed today's project. This was super simple and super yummy. Let me know if you give this project a try or if you think it's awesome. I would love it if you'd come back, and the best way to do that is to subscribe. So have a elegantly creepy Halloween, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.
I will definitely leave a link in the description box below where you can get these ice cube trays. I think they are so awesome, and I think that there's something you should have in your Halloween box of treasures for sure. And then I will also I will link the videos where I used him in the past down below as well. It would be great if you would check those videos out and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Has Sweet Uniqueities gotten better, or is she going backwards? And I kind of feel like some days I'm losing ground. But anyway, I'm still having fun here, and that is what it's all about. Having fun. So I hope you will check out those videos. Please subscribe, hit like, and let's get to having fun.